नमस्कार येवकार तुमकां सगळ्यांक आजच्या ह्या खाशेल्या मुलाखत आमचे आयज स्पेशल गेस्ट आसतले जोयल आंध्राज जे आसा CCP कावन्सिलर एज वेल एज गोवा यूथ काँग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट. जाणून घेवया तेंच्या कडल्यान की गोंयचे यूथ काँग्रेसी बरोबर आसा काय ना आनी गोंयान सद्या कॅम्पेनिंगच्या टायमार तांकां कितें आयकूंक मेळटा. जोयल, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तूं ऑल गोवा यूथ काँग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट. गोंयचे युथाचे कितें रिएक्शन आसा?
See, the youth are unhappy with what's happening in Goa, in India. Unemployment is at an all-time high. Inflation is at an all-time high. People don't have money to go to the bazaar and buy what they want. Educated youth, after their graduation, people have spent lakhs, sometimes even crores for their education. But when they come to India, after studying abroad, or even if they study in India, they don't have jobs to pass out after passing out. You see, the BJP had promised 2 crore jobs every year. It's been 10 years now. Means 20 crore jobs. How many jobs have been given to the people of Goa and India?
What are the plans of Congress for the youths then?
See, the Congress party has spelled out its vision for all sections of society. We have promised to give 30 lakh jobs as soon as we come to power. We have promised 1 lakh rupees for every educated youth. For those who want to do business, we have promised to create a startup fund in every district of the country. You see, people are attracted to this vision of the Congress party. In terms of healthcare, today if any of us fall sick, we don't have money to go to the hospital and pay large sums of money for a few days. You see, the Congress party has promised a cashless health insurance for every citizen, both young and old.
It is all feasible actually.
Of course, people are paying massive taxes. What are they getting in return? You see our roads, where is the infrastructure?
It is all feasible with the amount of the taxes which are
Of course, this is our money. We should get the benefit of what we are paying, isn't it?
So Congress have all these plans.
Of course, it's there in our manifesto. We have spelled out our vision.
Okay. What is the prospects of both your candidates, North and South?
See, I've been campaigning in North Goa as well as South Goa. One thing I can tell you is that the energy is positive.
Okay.
People are attracted to the Congress party. Let's see, we have 2 days more to go.
So campaigning was going on all right. How was the campaign?
Very much. I've just taken 1 hour break to come and talk to you. 5 o'clock we are going back to Fontainish in Panjim.
What are the major questions, major issues which you get to hear?
I'll tell you one incident. I went to one of the house in Veli constituency. They told me, Baba, we are not safe anymore. I wish to keep our house open. Wish to walk around here. Our children, grandchildren used to happily move around. But today we cannot do this. Why did she say this? So many shootouts happening. Robberies left, right, center. Murders. Goa is not safe anymore. The law and order situation is going from bad to what it has collapsed. You see, another thing is people don't have a livelihood in Goa.
Okay.
You see, how many people have jobs in Goa? Most of our youth today go to London, go to Dubai, go to Australia, you go to Canada. I was just in Dubai a few months back. I just entered. 2 of my friends called me. I saw you over here.
Hey.
My old school friends. I went to one mall. Another 2 friends called me. Arey, I saw you over here.
So lot of guns are abroad and
Yeah. So
number is high.
I met many of them for dinner, old friends, you see. So they told me if we have a good opportunity to come back, of course we would. Their families are here. Their parents are here, grandparents are here. They have big houses here. But they have to go there, stay alone, make a livelihood for themselves.
Goan youths are abroad only because of money.
It's not a question of money, it's a question of creating a livelihood. We need to create an ecosystem for the youth of this country. And this was what this government had promised when they came to power, isn't it? What was the 2014 plank? All this 2019. What did they talk in 2019? Security. Where is the safety security today? They spoke about national security. If you remember our old governor,
Satyapal Malik.
he had he has exposed them in the Pulwama attack. It was all staged. I am not saying this. Our old governor has said this.
Okay.
But see, today, people are extremely disappointed
With government.
with all this, and you cannot bullshit all the people all the time. You see,
This is a situation only in Goa or entire
no,
India?
pan India.
Okay.
I had gone for one day to campaign in another state. Very close friends are contesting.
Okay.
We can feel the energy towards the Congress. You see, towards the India alliance.
So all the states are unhappy with the BJP government.
You see, Maharashtra will be a extremely positive result
Congress.
for the India alliance.
Okay. For India. Okay. Mostly we are seeing in Lok Sabha elections Joel Andrade in Velim constituency. Why Joel is working in Velim constituency? What is the reason?
No, Joel is working in 40 constituencies. He is the All Goa Youth Congress president. You know me earlier as a Panjim councillor, right? Panjim, we are working only now. After this interview, I am going to campaign in Fontainish Mala area of Panjim. What happens is, I am originally from Veli. I have grown up there. I have roots there. My grandparents are there. So I stay there 2-3 days of the week throughout the year because of my other professional commitments. So you see, in that area also we have extensively campaigned.
So the Velim constituency MLA is of Aam Aadmi Party and he is India Alliance partner.
India,
So-
Team India.
So India Alliance partner. So what is the people's reaction over that? So totally we can say 100% or what is the percentage you would like to say?
See, our alliance partners,
Yeah.
whether it is Goa Forward, Bab Vijay Sardesai, whether it's Aam Aadmi Party, all of them are doing a good job to support our candidates.
So in that especially Velim because Cruz Silva and your Venzi Benawale, they both are working and
All
it
are
is same.
working hard, boss.
So in Velim it is specially people are coming that MLA. What is the response about the Velim people towards MLA?
Veli constituency, we will get 12 to 15,000 lead. Congress party cadre is active, very strong. AAP also is supporting us. Together, we will get a good lead, 12,000 to 15,000 lead from Veli constituency.
Okay. As a youth or Goa youth president, what is your strategy and how you will attract new voters?
See, we have had many campaigns through the year. One of the campaigns was Youth Jodo, Booth Jodo. It's self-explanatory.
Okay.
We would go to every booth, meet a few youth. See, it's not necessary you have to go as the Congress. You can meet them through sports, through culture.
Okay.
You see?
The way they understand.
Yes. See, you have to connect with them.
Okay.
We are part of so many clubs. Here in Miramar, I am the president for this term. I am on at least 5 other executive councils of clubs within the city here. So all of us meet for sports, culture.
That is the time where you do conversation. So India
I
Alliance
myself am a player.
Ideas.
I was a Goa captain for table tennis. I represented Goa under 15 years back. You see, I also play basketball.
Still continuing that.
See, off late I have not had time, but I'm sure after the elections get over, I will go back and start playing. So
that is
is
the
what
secret
keeps
of
us
being
happy.
your fitness.
You can say so.
But youths are convinced
when
with
we
the
were-
India Alliance thoughts and their ideology.
You see, Team India has spelt out its vision. We have spelt out our vision for the people of Goa, for the people of India. You see, we have covered a wide range of topics. What are the problems that you are facing? You tell me in short. Any youth wants to start a job. wants a job, wants to start a business, who is there to support them?
So India Alliance will support
We have
everyone.
spelled out our vision for the people of Goa, for the people of India. You can go through our manifesto. After this interview, I will send you a copy. You see?
Do you think this India bloc, they will support each other in this election and after this election?
See, one thing is very clear. Everybody, including NDA alliance partners, want the BJP out, want Modi out in Delhi.
Centrally speaking.
All his alliance partners, NDA's alliance partners, will also join us post elections. You see what happened in 2004.
You are telling that BJP, the one who is supporting for BJP, they will come in support of India Alliance.
They have gone there out of fear. You see Ajit Pawar.
Okay.
Ajit Pawar was NCP. Why did he go there? Now they have put washing powder.
That is the best washing machine you are telling them.
That's what it appears to be, no? Isn't it? You see in Goa, what not they said about Digambar Kamath, about Movin Gudinu. Now today they are all holy. They are baptized with holy water and
So-
Nirmal washing powder.
So when Digambar Kamath was in Congress, he was corrupt, you want to say.
That-
So after going to BJP, he was out.
We are not saying anything. Problem is, they said that earlier, and
Okay.
once he is in their team, they are not saying that.
Okay. They only told that
Matter of their convenience.
he is corrupt, and then they only told
Now
that
they are
he is
saying-
clean.
Exactly. So do you think you can bully the people of Goa all the time? Maybe some people you can fool sometime, but not all the people all the time. It's been 10 years. People of Goa, people of India have seen through all this and have decided what they have to do. You will see in the upcoming elections.
Okay. Last question. What you would like to tell the youths as well as Goans for this election?
You see, when we took over the Youth Congress, our objective was only one: to create a new leadership for Goa, for the Congress party in Goa. You will see the fruit of all our hard work in the upcoming Panchayat election, ZP election, Assembly election. I can say this with full confidence. You will see 15-20% plus of the people who we are working with in the next assembly.
So
Our message
yes.
to the people of Goa, to the youth of Goa, is you all have had 10 years of misgovernance. Now is our chance to protect Goa's identity. Now is the time for real progress. And for real progress, you have to support the Congress,
India Alliance.
Team India.
Okay. Now we can say that in Goa, Congress is rebuilding.
What happened during the last few years, we have had two major sets of defections of MLAs. Along with the MLAs, a large chunk of office bearers, karyakartas also switched over. So to rebuild that takes time. And in that
It is in that process. Congress is in that process.
in that thought, we have been working in strategic places across the state. We are not working in 40 constituencies. Neither is the BJP, isn't it? We have chosen 28 constituencies that we are working in. We are working strategically there. I mean, you will see our people at the right time. Before the elections, assembly elections, I will bring them to you. And I will tell you, these are our people. They will reach the next assembly.
You're confident on your strategy.
100%.
Okay. So what's the situation in this Lok Sabha election? Both the seats, and what is the percentage, what is the vote
See,
margin?
One can never take the people of Goa for granted.
Yes.
So I don't want to talk about margin. You understand? But one thing I can tell you is that the energy of the people is positive. You see, our alliance partners have done a fantastic job. Goa Forward Chief Vijay Sardesai has gone constituency to constituency. campaigned aggressively, gave great speeches, speeches that connected with every voter. You see? So we are confident that we will do well after the setbacks that we have faced.
India Alliance will come victorious this time.
Team India will form the next government in Delhi, 2024, June 10th.
हे आशिल्ले जोयल आंध्रात गोवा यूथ काँग्रेस प्रेजिडंट एज वेल एज CCP कावन्सिलर. ते म्हणटा की ह्या फावट यूथ आमच्या बरोबर आसा आनी वेलीम हांव काम कितें करता म्हणजे बॉर्न एंड बॉट अप इन वेलीम कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आनी वी आर व्हेरी कॉन्फिडंट दिस टायम to win both the seats as well as youth and Goan people, Goan voters want change in Goa. कौशल पालेकरा बरोबर हांव हनुमान नेगलोर, तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.